On this video, I'm going to show you how to get like an aftermarket fuel gauge like this to work with your stock in-tank sensor. Now watched a bunch of videos and I found it really difficult. There's a few and people don't even work out how to do it. So I've worked out how to do it. I'll show you the type of fuel gauge you need, and I'll show you how to do all the wiring. So no more wondering about how to do it. This is pure, super simple, and gives you a how-to guide on how to do it. Right, let's get into it. Right, there's two plugs on this. That one, ignore. It's this bad boy, the big one that plugs into the top of a cap where you get your fuel. The fuel comes out, there's a bunch of things, that pops into the inside, and there's a plug that goes in the top. Now, it's the white and the black wire, the two outside ones you want to do. So let me plug that back in. Right, so that's it plugged in, and see that's it registering. I think it goes like between 0 and 90, but right, watch when I move this, you'll see I'll move the float. Oh, no, I don't know how to move it. Oh, don't wires fall out. Right, here we go. See that changing? Turn it back. On. Fill the fuel. No fuel, car running lean and blowing up. Bad. It's there. Gauge. So that is like a 0 to 90 ohm gauge. It's super cheap, like came from China land. The two wires that are important, or the one wire, so your signal wire, which is black. Your blue one goes to the earth, and your red one goes to power. I'm just running all off this little battery gizmo thing. And then, so your black wire, your signal one, comes out, and it goes to the white wire on here, and then the black wire you take out and you earth that off. So that's going back to the negative in the battery. So look, we've got full fuel. Turn it. Oh, I need to do it the other way. Go on, all the wires stay. Yay! Go on, change. Oh, wires falling out. Oh, my wires are falling out. So here we go, we've got our two plugs on the top, so that's the sender back in the tank. That's a dick to get in, by the way. Now, what you'll find is it's now this black wire on the outside here, that goes to your earth, so that goes onto there. And then your green wire goes all the way up to your gauge. Now, let me just put this on. Right, earth on. Right, watch your light up. See, we got fuel in it. Yeah!